Hi, I'm Kinsey. I'm a nurse practitioner at Blush Aesthetics, and we're going to talk about Sculptra. Sculptra is really good for people who feel like they're noticing kind of like the first signs of aging, or are really noticing kind of like aging all of a sudden. Sculptra is going to be really the most natural thing that you can do. It is so slow and so beautiful. It's essentially undetectable. So even if you are 20, if you're starting to notice just volume loss, or you want to prevent aging in your early 20s or mid 20s, early 30s, even to people who are into their 50s, 60s or so is ideal. Anybody that's been through like a significant weight change, Sculptra is great for, that can really replenish all of that volume loss that's there. We bring everybody in for a consult first, and you get a Visia, and the Visia kind of helps us know what things are going on underneath your skin and what things we maybe need to address before we get to the point of Sculptra. But Sculptra, when we start doing it, it's primarily for people who are noticing like volume loss in their entire face. So we bring you in, we do a consult, we talk about like what does that appointment look like, what amount of appointments are we going to need, and then how many vials of Sculptra would we need for it. Once we get to that point, then the appointment's about 15-30 minutes or so. It's super low pain. Like, it is definitely something you feel, but it's not something that people really feel like is a significant amount of pain with it. But we do all the different placements with the cannula, so it's super comfortable for patients. You are much less risk of bruising with it. And then we bring you back in about 4 to 6 weeks to do another appointment with it, and then your full results are at 6 months. So we see you 3 times with it. So initially, like when you leave the appointment, you will be a little bit puffy. There is a good amount of volume that we put in with Sculptra. So that puffiness can sometimes be a little alarming for people, but it goes away in about 2 days or so. Over those next 6 weeks is when that Sculptra that we're putting in, that collagen is building. So those results are super, super gradual. For those first 2-3 days or so, you're a little bit puffy. We tend to use a cannula, so there may be a little bit of bruising at those sites, but it's really overall pretty minimal. You would be completely fine to go back to work the next day. A little bit of makeup would cover up any bruising. If you're interested in Sculptra, book a consult through our website, and we'd love to talk to you about it.